My dear sisters and brothers, we are in the middle of the exposition of the sacred relics of Saint Francis Xavier. And as I've always said, we thank you so much for your collaboration and support. I just want to inform you that the veneration of the sacred relics will continue with the normal timings, that is from 7 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock in the evening. There are rumors that the veneration will be closed during Christmas time. It will not be closed. Veneration will go on as usual. What will be closed is the wheelchair facility and the buggy car facility. This will be closed from the 24th of December till the 27th of December. So I would request you also not to bring people who need a wheelchair or a buggy, not to bring them during those days. Veneration will continue as usual. On the 27th of December, the veneration gate will close at 5 o'clock in the evening instead of 6 o'clock in the evening. Because on the 27th of December, we have the Shillong Chamber Choir performing in the cathedral lawns. And because of that, the gate will close at 5 o'clock. At 6 o'clock on the 27th, we will open up the gates for the Shillong Chamber Choir show. So those of you who wish to come for the show, the gates will open only at 6 o'clock in the evening on the 27th. On the 24th of this month, in the night, we celebrate the solemnity of the birth of Christ. At 11:30, we will have a preparation for the solemn Holy Eucharist, which will begin at 12 o'clock in the pandal in front of the Basilica. Our own Archbishop, Cardinal Philippe Neri Ferrand, will preside over the Eucharistic celebration.